For your reading assignment today, I want you to find that place that we talked about yesterday, that special place that you go to read. Find that place, snuggle up with a good book or your computer, and you have some free reading time. I'd like for you to read about 20 to 30 minutes today, and you can read whatever you choose. It can be books, it can be magazines, you can go into the virtual library, here the Boundaries Library if you choose to um, get a book from this area, or you can go into the Epic Library and choose a book there. Go to Access 360. There are lots of places that you can go to access books and spend some time reading. At the end of your 20 to 30 minute period of getting lost in a book and loving your books, I would like for you to go into the reading folder, and you'll notice that there is a reading response here. So what I want you to do after you read for 20 to 30 minutes, tell your classmates about what you read. What was your book title? Who was the author? Did you like the book? Why or why not? So this can start up some book discussions, and when someone posts in the reading response discussion, you can comment on their comments as well. You can talk about their book with them and start a conversation about books, because that's one thing that readers do is they talk about books, and this is one way we can do it from a distance. Good luck, have fun, relax, and dig into a book.